In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove weekends from your timeline or Gantt view in Monday.com for the year 2025 with a clear step-by-step guide. This process is particularly useful if you want your timelines to align with business days from Monday to Friday, ensuring that your schedules and bar timelines reflect actual work days. First, let's start by opening the board where you have your timeline or Gantt view. You can find these views in the top right of your Monday.com board, where they are typically listed under the View menu. Once you're in the correct view, it's time to dive into the settings. Click on the view name, which could either be Timeline or Gantt, depending on which one you're using. Alternatively, you might notice a three-dot icon or a settings icon within the view itself. Make sure to click on that to open the view settings. Now look for the section in your settings labeled View Settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to locate either the working days option or a checkbox that says Show Working Days Only. It might take a bit of scrolling, but it's usually nestled right within those options. Acquaint yourself with the list of days displayed there. Your task now is to set the working days strictly to Monday through Friday. To accomplish this, simply uncheck the boxes next to Saturday and Sunday. By doing so, you're telling the system to exclude weekends from your visual timeline display. After you've made those changes, remember the importance of saving your view. This typically involves a simple click of a Save button, which ensures that all your adjustments take effect and are preserved for future use. It's a crucial step, and one you definitely don't want to overlook. Once everything is saved, your timeline or Gantt chart will automatically compress the weekends. What this means is that, visually, the timeline will show only Monday through Friday. While the original dates of your tasks remain unchanged, the visual grid itself will now ignore weekends, providing a business-focused calendar that highlights the work week exclusively. This adjustment creates a cleaner, more business-centric view of your timelines, making it easier for teams to understand project schedules as they align with actual working days. Remember, this change is purely visual. It doesn't alter your item's date settings, but offers a streamlined approach to viewing timelines based on the typical work week. And that's it! With these steps, you've successfully transformed your timeline or Gantt view into a more efficient tool for tracking and managing your projects in Monday.com. Thanks for joining me today, and